Okay, assignment 5-4, we're doing more on sharing and publishing documents, putting this out on the web. Okay, so we're watching the video tutorial and then we're going to copy and paste some text. This comes pre-formatted. How to share, we're just going to select it. Even comes with images integrated, so I select all of it, right click and copy it. I'm going to go into my drive, create my document, 5-4. Click on the title, change it to 5-4, click OK. In this case, I can right click or I can use my keyboard shortcut. I've already copied that text. How to share. Okay, here we go. This is the directions. This kind of is the short view of what we're actually going to be doing right now. Okay, so direction 1, click the share button at the top right. Okay, under the section who has access, we're going to click this change link. So right now it's just the teacher, Professor Copeland in this case. And then private, no one else can access this file currently, and we're going to change that right now. Okay. In the link sharing window, we're going to check anyone with the link. So anyone who has this link can access. There's no sign-in required to alter this document. Okay, and in this case we can specify right here. So anyone with this link can view it. If they could edit, they could change it. And in this case, we're going to do can comment. That means they can leave comments, but they can't actually change it. And then we're going to click Save. So it's anyone with a link can comment, save. Okay, so right here we have that. Anyone with a link. Okay, now we're going to capture that. So we're going to hit print screen on our keyboard and click done to capture this bit of information. We're going to use the keyboard shortcut. We're going to scroll down to the bottom here. I'm going to use Control V, or you can just right click to paste. Okay, now in this case, again, I'm doing it on a big monitor. I'm going to crop this a little bit. I right clicked. I'm going to crop this just to make it a little easier to see. And I bring these little bars in. These are not the handles that you use to resize and rotate. These crop. These take out those areas of the image that I don't want, and I hit enter. I'm going to change it to wrap text, so it'll wrap text a little better. I have more control over where I put it. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for right here, is these sharing settings showing that anyone who has the link can comment. Okay. Now it says the next direction is underneath your pasted screen capture, type link to published document. So I type that in. Select the text type and apply the heading 1 style. Click up on the style, so we're going to do heading 1 right there. Link to published document. Click away from it, deselect. Now we're going to click on File and then Publish to the Web. Make sure this is checked. Automatically republish when changes are made. We're going to put this up on the internet. Anytime we make changes, and it's going to be, it's going to be in this form of a web page. Anytime, if this line is checked, anytime we make changes to this document, that page will change as well. So basically you're creating a web page. Anyone this link has, they can look at it, and if you make any changes to it, that will be reflected the next time that another person goes back. Okay, I'm going to click Start Publishing. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to publish this document? You are putting it out on the internet. Click OK. And so publish to the web. Notice you can also stop publishing at any time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and this is the document link. This is the web address, and I triple click it, or I can click on one end and drag across to select it, because what we're going to do is right click that, make sure it's selected, and copy it. And we're going to do close. And underneath that link to the published document, I hit enter a couple times, and I'm going to paste that link in. Okay. So now I've got a document talking about how to share, and you've done an example. So what you've done is this document is now a web page that anyone with that document link, this one right here, it's just like, say, if I'd given you www.google.com and you'd clicked on that link, this link will take me back to that document from any web browser. So you could copy and paste this into an email, do any kinds of things with that. And anytime, because of, remember we said to anytime that it's changed, republish, anytime we make a change to that document, it will republish as a new web page on the web. Okay, that's it. 5-4, you have published this document to a web page, and it's now a live document on the web.